midnight. Snow will continue overnight, and then taper off Monday morning. Total snow accumulation of 3 to 5 inches is expected. Hazardous travel conditions are expected due to reduced visibilities and snow accumulations. Remember, a winter storm warning means severe winter weather conditions are imminent or highly likely. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio or your favorite source of information for the latest updates. Additional details can also be found at www.weather.gov/ILN as well as on our Facebook and Twitter pages.